The first time I made this recipe, I didn't put it on record. Today, I decided to share with you, my family. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. Start by adding instant yeast in a bowl. To that I will move in with sugar and warm milk. You can substitute the warm milk with warm water, alright? Mix to combine very well. Now I move in with 1 egg, then I'm going to mix again. Once that is done, I will sift in all-purpose flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? Once that is done, I am going to add some salt. Move in with a spatula and start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, now I transfer the dough to the work surface. I added some butter. You can also use margarine. Continue mixing and kneading till I form a smooth dough. Now, if you are not using a mixer, I will advise you take your time to knead the dough properly for about 4 to 5 minutes or till you have a very smooth dough just like this one. Alright, now I'm going to brush the mixing bowl with some oil, then place the dough back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to prove. 30 minutes later, voila, look what we have. The dough has doubled in size. Alright, now I'm going to deflect the air in the dough, transfer back to the work surface. I'm going to knead again for a few seconds or till I have this smoothness. Okay, alright. Now I'm going to divide the dough into 6 equal parts. You can divide more or less depending on how you want yours, alright? Just keep watching. Once I'm done dividing the dough, I am going to form a ball with each of the cut out dough, alright? Now once I form a ball, you should have something like this. Okay, I take that one more time. I kind of mold it, then form a smooth ball. You should have these smooth boys, alright? Now I pick up one boy and start rolling. I'm going to roll in a round shape. The shape doesn't really has to be perfect, alright? Just roll in a round shape, then transfer into a plastic bag and rub in some butter, alright? Now I'm going to pick up another boy and roll just like I rolled the first one. Okay, now I'm also going to place it on the first one that I rolled that has butter on it. I hope you understand what is going on here. Then I'm going to rub in butter again, roll another boy and place on top. I'm going to repeat this till I'm done rolling all the boys. I hope you understand what is going on here. If you do, type I understand at the comment section. Okay, once I am done, I will dust with little flour, then cover with the plastic bag. You should have something like this. Now I have 6 layers in one. Alright, now I'm going to allow this to sit in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. Yeah, about 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, voila! You will notice that the dough was proving while still inside the refrigerator. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to unwrap, then dust the work surface with some flour, transfer the dough. I am going to massage in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Okay, once that is done, I will move in with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. A beautiful shout out to you, Adewumi, watching from Ibadan. Fatima from Lebanon, Rebecca Johnson watching from Ghana, and Comfort Benin all the way from Cameroon. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, I continue to roll till I come to a wide, smooth dough just like this one, okay? Now I'm going to cut. I start by dividing the dough into 4 equal parts. In between each part, I am going to cut again, alright? After cutting, I still went ahead to cut again. You can cut in any size that you prefer, alright? Once that is done, from the beginning, I am going to fold till the end. All right, it's very simple. Just pay attention. From the beginning, roll to the end. It's very simple. Anyone can do this. Once that is done, go ahead and arrange in an open baking tray just like this one. Okay, now I'm going to cover and allow to sit again for another 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, it has doubled in size again. It is time to brush with a beaten egg. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. Go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes and there you have it. Whoops! Just look at that. Go ahead and serve, all right? It is very simple to prepare. Anyone can prepare this recipe. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. Now, before devouring, you can sprinkle some sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. This is totally optional, okay? Go ahead and marry with your family. It was something else, like everyone in my house enjoy this. Now, to take the recipe to another level, I cut into 2 equal parts, moving with any spread of your choice. I didn't stop there. I added some scrambled eggs. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You can enjoy this with tea, coffee, hot chocolate, warm milk, or any beverage of your choice. Just look at that. I take a bite and this is what the inside looks like. So yummy. Don't wait to be in a particular place before you can have something like this. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.